Yeah, my peeps, see, cornmeal French fried chicken, they're pretty and
Hey guys, welcome back to another cooking video. Recipe for today, some French fried chicken. Cornmeal French fried chicken. So please watch the video to the end, like, share. Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Remember, cornmeal French fried chicken.
Starting by washing the chicken, right? Running water and chicken. Starting by cleaning the old waste of the chicken, right? Cut out the bottom part like this. So recipe for today, some cornmeal French fried chicken. You can see chicken right there. It's 2.5 pound of chicken. It's small. So I eat less food nowadays. You know? Like one time it's cook 4 or 5 pound of chicken alone. Now I eat less now. It's too much food not good. So remember I some cornmeal French fried chicken. Jamaican. Right, you have some crushed pimento, pepper, garlic, scallion. Alright, so I'm going to add it to the chicken. And these are some extra flavor. Alright. So you're going to add some Maggi all purpose to the chicken. Some Maggi chicken. Right, the chicken there. So we're going to mustard these blood, right? Like a pinch more to it, right? So we're going to make these chicken go and stay into soak around 10 hours. Right? Remember, cornmeal fried chicken. Yeah, my people, see chicken there, alright? See cornmeal there, see oil red hot, see cornmeal, remember cornmeal French fried chicken, right? We're going to add some garlic, pepper, scallion to the iron. You must see if you cornmeal fried French fried chicken pretty. You want to soak some more, you know? Yeah. Alright, people see cornmeal French fried chicken already and I'm remove them from the oil, right? Like this. And drain off the bit like this. Add them some napkin right there. Alright, well, people, nobody watch the pattern on the eye will throw off, right? So we're going to make some sauce up. You can see, I'm going to show you step by step. Add these to the pot, some of these, like these. Not really enough. Alright, that. Add some of these to it. Some ketchup. Splash of vinegar, see, you can see. Splash of vinegar. A tip of browning, not really enough. Add a little sugar. A pinch of Maggi season. Add a little water to it now, like this. So I'm going to stir well. Some barbecue sauce, remember? See cornmeal fried chicken there. See barbecue sauce there. So I'm going to make these go on hot around 5 minutes. Right? I want it bubble. Like the seasoning you can cook and come by. Right? You can see it. Alright, the sauce is, so I'm going to add 2 cups of the cornmeal fried chicken to it. Like this. Alright. Remember to like and share Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Alright, make these gonna stay on 2 minutes in the sauce. Alright, my people, see the barbecue chicken there, see the cornmeal fried chicken there, see the big sweet rice, see the platen. You have some natural simple syrup right there in a cup. Yeah, presentation, food, eatable, tasteable, delicious. Remember to like and share Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Yes, see it there. Yeah, man. Alright, people, see it there, you can see. You can see presentation of the plate there. Alright. So I'm going to taste beside platen, alright? Delicious, eatable, tasteable.